It's me, Ron. Guess what? The Ohh-Ahh-Eee Bird is back, and we're making shapes. Come along and join the fun. Oh, one sunny day at the beach, I saw a starfish by my feet. Then all of a sudden I heard my new friend, the Ohh-Ahh-Eee Bird.
Hi, Ron.
Together we came up with a plan. We'd find some shapes and then I would draw them in the sand. And then he would fly up so high and make those shapes up in the sky. In the sky we found a star, circle, an oval too, diamond, a rectangle, triangle, woo! Square, and we made a heart. We're shape smart, and so are you. We made 8 shapes.
Oh yeah, let's celebrate.
Oh yeah! So right there on the sand, we formed our mini rock and roll band and sang this song for all the fans. Those shape fans, we found a star, circle, an oval too, diamond, rectangle, triangle, woo! Square, and we made a heart. We're shape smart. Sing it, Ohh-Ahh-Eee.
We found a star, circle, an oval too, diamond, rectangle, triangle, woo! Square, and we made a heart. We're shape smart.
That was awesome. I know you know and can see it's always good times with Ohh-Ahh-Eee. So everybody, let's rock and learn, making shapes with the Ohh-Ahh-Eee Bird. We're making shapes with the Ohh-Ahh-Eee Bird.
And Ron too.
Clap your hands and sing. Everybody, have you heard? I'm making shapes with the Ohh-Ahh-Eee Bird.